guys, welcome to my channel Creativity, and today for my first meal I'm gonna be creating my own Jamaican curry chicken. These are the seasonings that I'm gonna be using today. We have salt, Mrs. Dash, Grace all-purpose seasoning, chicken seasoning, some black pepper. I like to add a little bit of peppers to mine, so for today I'm going to be using the red peppers, some onions, I have garlic right here, scallion, and thyme. And this is the curry powder that I'll be using today, if you can see that. And the first thing you want to do is get your container that you want to put your meat in. So I have my container right here. And for today, I'll be using all of it, just going to be using a portion of it, okay? So, you want to cut open. And for me, I like to wash my chicken in clean water first before I start cooking, and like clean it up a little, take off the fat off of it. I'm gonna use a different cutting board. Alright, so as you can see, this is the reason why I didn't use a lot, because when you cut it, it becomes a lot. See, that's a lot of chicken right there. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and start adding my seasonings to the pot, to the container. Go ahead and just throw all of this in, everything. Light the burner, you let that heat up a little bit. Add some oil to the pot. And initially this is called burning the curry. So I'm gonna put some on the spoon. And I'm gonna add it to the oil, the hot oil. The oil has to be hot for this to work. And you let the curry burn. With the chicken that I have seasoned, I'm going to add it to the pot. Now add some water to the seasoning and just can see what happened. If it's almost done, you will see like the meat starting to come off the bone, like that. It's becoming tender. And very last minute, I've decided to add some potatoes to it. So you don't want to add the potatoes too early, you don't want to add them too late. So what I usually do is when I see like the chicken is becoming tender, I'll just add my potatoes to it and then have it cook to finish. I haven't added any more water to the pot because I really don't need it. So I'm just gonna have that cook down for like probably like another 10-15 minutes, and then I'll check how soft the potatoes are and then I'll judge from that. Alright guys, so I'm just about done. The potatoes are soft enough. Yep, they're very soft. The chicken is tender. You can see that it's well cooked. Go ahead and turn this off. Before, let me just give you a closer view of that. So you can see it's definitely cooked. This is the finished product. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And let me know below in the comment section what you would like to see in my next video.